Hey Pixel Pirates! Today, we are marauding the best free music generators, comparing their features, usability, and output quality. I'll show you how to use each one and which offers the best free features for your music production needs. Up first, Lyrical Labs is a user-friendly platform designed for generating lyrics and accompanying music. Here's how you can use it. Go to the Lyrical Labs website and sign up for a free account, or simply find and use the link below. Get 25 credits on logging in. Enter your prompt, which can be a theme, mood, or specific keywords. Enter the genre and style of music too. Change BPM beats per minute. Pop music is generally around 135 to 140 BPM. Enter a time signature or leave as 4/4. Click Generate and wait for the platform to create your track. Generation costs 3 credits and will create 3 different music outputs from your prompt. Generation time is fairly quick, and the output length is around the 30-second mark. It's easy to use with a clean interface. However, the free version limits you to a certain number of generations per month. Downloading is straightforward and come in WAV format. Lyrical Labs also offers a songwriting option. To use this, enter a topic, add an artist whose style you'd like to copy, and then add a genre. You can then choose from many languages to write your song with. Use the writing station to improve your lyrics by adding them and clicking on the Improve Lyrics button. Struggling to write the next line of your song, add the previous line to the next line suggestions box and let AI write your next lines for you. If you're looking for a related word or a related rhyme, add your text to the related word search box. Choose a drop-down option to match it to and hit the Find Related Words button and let AI match your text with relevant options. Great for new or experienced songwriters to come up with new options or ideas. Vidnoz is a versatile tool primarily used for video content creation, but it also offers music generation features, with up to 2 minutes generation at a time on the free plan and commercial usage. To use Vidnoz, use the link below and sign up and log in. Click the free AI Tools header tab, and then select AI Music Generator from the drop-down menu. Choose to create from the Create Music or Text to Music buttons. Create music. Select from the genre, mood, and theme style options from the images that reflect how you want your music to sound. Choose a length time, then click Generate. Text to music. Input your prompt such as a scene, vibe, description, or mood. Choose the music length and quantity. Click Generate and wait for the output. Vidnoz offers quick generation times and supports various prompt types. The output length is customizable, but the free version has limitations on the number of tracks you can generate per day. Downloads are easily accessible. If you learned something today, don't forget to show some love back. Bash that like, hit that subscribe, and share this video to your socials. I really appreciate your support. Mubert is known for its AI-generated music streams, with lots of pre-made music available in lots of genres to choose from. So here's how to use it. Use the link below and visit the Mubert website. Create a free account and log in. Click Generate Track. Type in a prompt or choose from genres, moods, and activities to select your prompt, or upload a photo as a prompt. Select which type you wish to produce from the drop-down menu, from track, loop, mix, or jingle. Enter the time duration anywhere from 5 seconds to 25 minutes. Then click on Generate Tracks. Generated tracks are available to view in your Generated Tracks section. Preview by clicking the play button. Click Download and your track will be downloaded into your My Downloads area in the sidebar. Open My Downloads and click on the Download option again to download your track to your device. With the best free plan, Mubert offers 30 minutes of creation per day and generate 25 tracks per month. Paid plans start at $14 a month. Easily download your tracks in MP3 format. Attribution is required for commercial usage, but Mubert generates the link for you to copy and paste where you're using your music when you download it, so make sure to copy it and paste it somewhere safe each time you download your tracks. Mubert excels in continuous streamable music with exact and adjustable duration times. Its generation times are reasonably quick. Mubert is easy to use, and you get a lot with its free plan. Downloads are available and easy to perform. AI Jukebox leverages advanced AI to create unique music pieces. Here's how to use it. Use the link below and go to the AI Jukebox page. Enter a prompt describing the style, mood, genre, feel, or select from the style and mood options. Choose a duration time, click Generate, and wait for the AI to compose your music. AI Jukebox is powerful but does have long generation times. Outputs are only up to 30 seconds, but there's no login needed, and it's easy to use. Media.io offers a straightforward approach to music generation. To use it, use the link below and visit the Media.io website and register for a free account, and then log in. Navigate to the Music Generation section by selecting Tools from the main header drop-down, then select the View All option at the bottom. Click Audio and find the AI Music Generator and click. Now you can make music by using the Create Music or Text to Music options. Create Music. Choose your song length up to 5 minutes. Select a genre. Select a mood. Select a theme. Click Create Music button. Text to Music options. Describe the music you want in the prompt box. Change the duration box to the length of music you require. Change the quantity box if you require more than one output at a time. Click Generate Music and wait for your music to be created. Created music can be found in the My Library. Downloads are in MP3 format. The platform is designed for quick and easy use, with generation times being quite fast. Output lengths are flexible, and you can easily download your tracks. The free version has generation limits. Paid plans start from $10 a month or $60 for the year. So try it out and see if it's worth investing in. Suno is another excellent tool for AI-generated music. Here's how to use Suno. Go to the Suno website using the link below and create a free account. Then log in. You'll get 50 free credits for signing up. Choose the Create option from the sidebar. Now you can write a song or create instrumental music. Toggle the Custom Mode button to off. Enter a song description prompt. Select to have an instrumental piece or not by toggling the instrumental button on or off. Click on Create when ready, or to use Custom Mode, add lyrics or describe your song, and click Make Random Lyrics to let AI do it for you. Choose if it's an instrumental piece or not with the instrumental button. Add a style or feel into the Style of Music box. Add a title too, and finally, click Create. Outputs vary in length depending on which version you're using. V3/5 outputs are up to 4 minutes. V3 outputs are up to 2 minutes. V2 outputs are up to 80 seconds. 2 creations generated at a time at a cost of 5 credits each. Suno offers a smooth user experience with fast generation times. While the free version includes usage limits, it also won't let you download free generated tracks, but you get a shareable link back to them. Depending on your needs, any of these tools could be a good fit for you. So give them all a go and tell me which you liked the best in the comments. So, until next time, keep creating and do take care out there. And most of all, thank you for watching.